Are you ready to learn about farm animals with me? Let's go! This is Rooster. Hello, Unicorn. How are you today? I'm great. Let's play. Yay, let's go. This is a pig. Hi, I'm a pig. Let's be friends. Yay, friends. This is Horse. Hello, Horse. Hello, Unicorn. We are friends. Yes, best friends. This is Goose. Hi, I'm Goose. Let's go explore. Yes, let's go. This is Sheep. Hello, nice to meet you. We're going to be great friends. Yes, let's play. Yay! This is Duck. Quack, hello. Hello, Duck. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. This is Donkey. He's my new friend. Hi, Unicorn. It's nice to meet you. You look so cute. Thank you, you too. This is Cow. Hello, nice to meet you. Want to be friends? Yes, let's play. Yay, friends forever. Friends forever. This is a Rabbit. Hi, Unicorn. Hello, Rabbit. You're so fluffy. And you're magical. Friends forever. This is a Mouse. Hello, little friend. Hi there. Let's go explore together. Subscribe to my channel for more fun learning videos.